Welcome, guys, once again to my YouTube channel. You're welcome to my channel once again. As you're looking at my screen, you are going to see Opay. So I'm going to show you how you can make money on Opay app. And also, if you're a business owner, you're looking for loan on which you can use to empower yourself and your business. Kindly watch this video to the end as I show you how you can get loan on this app at ease. So let me log in into my account. So as you can see over here, this is how you can make money on Opay. So let me just go over here to this grab cash. So you can see a new opportunity to earn rewards, 4,200. Invite new friends to sign up and get up to 4,200 cash. Me personally, I've used this app to refer friends, and I've made money out of that. So this is how you're going to do. You're just going to click on invite. So depending on your own application, you're going to see either you copy this invitation code, or you click on the you can copy this invitation code and copy and share. So let's say I want to share it to any of my WhatsApp contacts. Let me click on it, then I'll send it over here, and bam, you send this, you are good to go. So anybody that clicks on this link, I'm waiting for it to load. So anybody that click on this link and register their mobile number over here and download the app and continue, they are going to get your bonus. So that is how you can use it to refer and make money. So let me proceed to the app. So also, if you want to, there's this win and spin. You click over here. Let's wait for it to load. So as you can see, we spin to earn, win up to 1,000 naira cashback. So it is very easy for you to win through this promotion. So what are you going to do? It's loading. So you can see you can win any of these: 40 naira, 50 naira, 60 naira, 70 naira, 90 naira, 100 naira, 1,000, and so forth. So how are we qualified to win in this draw? They say each time you receive a transfer from another Opay account of 1,000 naira or more, you get one spin entry. So that's it. Then receive transfer from non-Opay account up to 30,000 naira or more, you have opportunity to get 4 spin entry in a month. So this is how it works. So you click on spin now. So as soon as you want to share this, you click on share, and let's send it over here. So you can send it to your friends. So yeah, that's it. So as soon as someone pay into this account, if it's Opay to Opay, then you can get that bonus. Then lastly, if you want to receive loan for your business, it is typically for a business. Please, if you are not using this application to receive loan for your business, I'll advise you not to try it. It is for business owners, because it won't be advisable for you to borrow a fund and you don't have opportunity to pay back. So let me say I want to get loan. I'll click on loan. So it's loading. So you can see I have 92,000 naira limit. So it depending on your limit on your own Opay account, but this is how it works. Let's say you want to start. It's going to load your limits that you can apply for. So let me say get funds. So as you can see, I can collect up to 40, the less 46,000, then the highest is 92,000. And the good thing is that I have 3 days coupon. So that means if I pay within 3 days, I am not going to pay any interest. So let's look at the interest rate. Within 90 days, you are getting 13.5% monthly. So the repayments, it will be interest will be 37,000 naira, and you have to complete 192,000 in 90 days, which is pretty good. Then also let's look at the 15 days. So that means if we pay this money in 15 days, we are getting we are paying back 11,000 naira interest, which is also all right. So I will advise, just like I said, it is advisable to use this loan for business, so that as soon as you are using it for business, you are able to pay back. There are so many loan app that I will not even advise you to use, but this, I have tried it once and it works, and I paid like immediately, and I never had issues with this loan app. So if you want to use easy money, they are very good, they are reliable, and kindly use them and pay back immediately for you to increase your loan amount. That's one secret. So you can see now, are you sure you want to give up? So if I say quit, so it depends on if I want to continue or not. So just like I said, I have 3 days interest free coupon. So that means if I pay this money within 3 days, I'm not going to pay with interest. So I hope you guys have gotten value from this video. Kindly smash the like button and kindly smash the subscription button if you're here to subscribe to our channel, and I will be seeing you in the next one.